Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today's lesson we are going to learn daily use English sentences. If you want to learn English quickly, please repeat after me and then practice. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेसन। आप मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे हैं। You are not listening to me. You are not listening to me. देखो, सहर ने नया सूट पहना हुआ है। Look, Seher is wearing a new suit. Look, Seher is wearing a new suit. बाहर मत जाओ, बारिश हो रही है। Don't go out, it is raining. Don't go out, it is raining. टीवी बंद कर दो, मैं नहीं देख रहा हूँ। Turn the TV off, I am not watching it. Turn the TV off. I am not watching it. मुझे नहीं पता वो आ रही है या नहीं. I don't know whether she is coming or not. I don't know whether she is coming or not. मुझे नहीं पता अब वो सही कह रहा है या गलत. I don't know whether he is saying right or wrong. I don't know whether he is saying right or wrong. बराए मेहरबानी चुप कर जाओ, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. Please be quiet, I am working. Please be quiet, I am working. तुम्हारा चेहरा सफेद हो रहा है, क्या तुम ठीक हो? Your face is white. Are you feeling okay? Your face is white. Are you feeling okay? उसका चेहरा गुस्से से सुर्ख हो गया. His face turned red with rage. His face turned red with rage. मैंने इस वाक़ये से अच्छा सबक सीखा. I learned a good lesson from this episode. I learned a good lesson from this episode. अब हम खाना खा रहे हैं. क्या तुम बाद में फ़ोन कर सकते हो? We are having dinner now. Can you phone later? We are having dinner now. Can you phone later? बारिश हो रही है, छतरी ले लो. It is raining. Take an umbrella. It is raining. Take an umbrella. वो कहाँ जा रही है? Where is she going? Where is she going? वो सौदा सलफ खरीदने जा रही है. She is going for buy groceries. She is going for buy groceries. आज ठंड नहीं है. It is not cold today. It is not cold today. तुमने कोट क्यों पहना हुआ है? Why are you wearing a coat? Why are you wearing a coat? क्या तुम टीवी देख रहे हो? Are you watching TV? Are you watching TV? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा प्रोग्राम कौन सा है? Which is your favorite program? Which is your favorite program? क्या आसिफ आज काम कर रहा है? Is Asif working today? Is Asif working today? वो इतवार को काम नहीं करता. He doesn't work on Sunday. He doesn't work on Sunday. क्या वो कुछ खा रहे हैं? Are they eating something? Are they eating something? नहीं तो. No, they are not. No, they are not. अभी तक बारिश हो रही है. It is still raining. It is still raining. वो अभी तक स्कूल में है. He is still at school. He is still at school. ओके फ्रेंड्स, ये था हमारा आज का लेसन. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपने इस लेसन में ज़रूर कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखा होगा. If you like this lesson, kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next lesson. Allah Hafiz.